phela obvious fana birthday yami so ngobazi
Oh manje uthi ushaya intro or ngibangene
hayi ngisize phela fana birthday yami mina ngileke phela akakuthiniza
ngiyakukopisela namhlanje. Hola bafethu, thank you for joining us again. This is Ringers Podcast Show. Namhlanje ngihambe ngiyiwani madoda, ngihamba neteam lami elimjojo uTwin bani, uTwin Msesho. La niphethe ubani uTwin D Bay. Happy birthday boy. Uthi birthday yakho benjani?
Unguzwe ukuthi njani?
Birthday yakho benjani? Angilanda nawe phela.
Ubarithi.
Ithi nje ngikwenzela ifewa ngokuthi ungazi ukubuza ukuthi njani uyazi uthanda ngibuza.
Birthday yami make
Yazi inkinga yakho yini? Ngebirthday yakho uyajophanta wena. Ucabanga ukuthi yakhe izoza ujophanta.
Ubeyazi like bekazimisela ukuthi phela akithi usiya ungishenge khona usiya athi imsesho ngizwa bathi ngada arathini kunale film abacosha abasebenzi manje baloko bayacasha uyangithola ukufanele ebusuku ne-CV la athi afere boy khona i-CV avela athi plus kusasa uyakhula bho ngenzeka kube nespanesi kube present yakho nami ngiyangikhuthela
bese le present uyayingala ungali present angala wali bozo buspana manje bese
ayifika ngiyache igcine ingafika ngibusebona isiswa sezolwane mina nikakhona lapha ayifika ngeagent so senze kahle nosiya ufuna ukuthi ngispendela lapha ngilinda nobluke engazi ukuthi uzofika nini
obvious angithi unethemba lokuthi iSpanish sizoza uzothola iSpanish
Fithi obvious angithi phela uyazi uyazi ukuthi angisilo umuntu ukuthi
mama otherwise ugrand ke ithini ngibuze kahle ugrand
angimnandi wena
mina ngigrand uyabona abantu abangana ama plans for ama birthday wabo nawo base bayavuka bayeJapan uyabona le mpilo ye-unemployment isenzani bheka yazi bese sokuthengela imoto si-podcast
kanjani angithi mina phela mina ngespanini ngokuthi seniyakhala ukuthi mina aninayo nemali yedatha aninamali ye-airtime iseshu yakhuluma asiboni ama-message ngoba awusigayi neclipa yedatha so ngithi ngiyophandanyana isitohonyana ukuthi ngizokhona ukumgala ngama-50 rand
nakhona ngeke ulast wenza ngathi uzolasta lapha espanini siyakwazi ukuthi ngisesho wena
ayazi thina silezi ziphushelayo bafethu
so awuzikhiphanga bongaplananga nike sukuphuma kuma province boma Limpopo
ekhaya Limpopo ngikule khona so
at least KwaZulu Natal Durban uye Durban KZN
ngagcina ukuphuma ne-trip ya grade 7 and ngathi ngenza grade 7 yani 2016
ukiwafika Durban
ngwavayile ama-province
ama-province angakhi ke
Timbeke Limpopo ngiyakhanda
Limpopo
ijuzi ngiyakhanda iGauteng obvious ngiyakhanda because ngihlala emakhaya and nginokuza kanye so Gauteng Limpopo Northwest Free State ne-KZN
uhambile
wena ngathi ngiyakubakaza yini wena wabayika
mina mfana ngaye Limpopo kayi-1
hayi wena
nakhona angisakile bezimnandi ngaya ngefuneral kulapho ngiqala ukuphuma ngeprovince angazi
ngicile
bengaqini mara bengiqala
ukuthi uTipe ngathi lokubikela abantu ukuthi vele uzakhona azakhona ukuphuma eprovince otherwise uzoba ngeGauteng mliwe
obvious angazi nokuthi ngi-explain kanjani mara obvious eLimpopo nakhona if ever bekungena mncwabo or something bengeke ngiyi kusho ukuthi ngiyenge nginomncwabo otherwise bengizobe ngazi iGauteng kuphela
wow mara ungasabi ngizosuka eLimpopo mina ngikubonisa ngale Limpopo twin lami ngiyobabonisa twin lami
obviously eLimpopo I've been there so
like ngongithenga umncwabo ushelo ye Friday nafike Saturday extend yabo ba 3 kwabo umncwabo ngabo ma 6 go 8 sendleleni enwadi buya yikho enkolo
bese ukutshela sibe ngoba isikhathi maybe eLimpopo abantu bangcwabe ekseni vele ngabo 6 bese sisemangcwabeni baya bangcwaba ngabo 1 bese isosholo bebe sidlula i-toll gate ekus 3 sesiyabuza
so awuzwanga nala atmosphere silipopo so
mina obvious at least inkinga siya kunabanye abayazi
Limpopo
abakazi baphuma nangeGauteng since bahleli at least mina ngingaphuma kayi-1
wena ubukeka ngathula umuntu ohlezi asithatha so kula kuphi la maybe usikile wazikhipha before wazisa maybe uMazumo Gold City
ngizomhleka
kwenzakalani
yabona mina ne
yeah
ukuthi ngizozi-expose amanaki
like iqiniso like ligrena ngitho
like angifuni ukuzi-expose manje sebantu okay ithi ngikhuluma iqiniso mina kahle
wena
okay ngagcina i-trip grade 2
hayi tips grade 2
ayi ukuthi like i-trip sayezule grade 2 ngakhona bengibhadalelwa ngomama bese grade 7 bathi siyadelela azange saphuma ngetrip azange saya ndawo ifewele ukuthi bebabambela la e-multipurpose hall Prota South yeah
ifewele lasuhlala khona la eProta South and isikole sishawela at least abantwana abaseshawela baphuma eshawela baze eProta South wena
ngiyenze 7 years ngilokhu ngiphuma Tata ngiyeshawela so bengasinto entsha ukuthi ngiyeshawela
sengiyaphela like obviously special day at least babona like uzicheta mithi abaseshawela at least baphume eshawela baba eProta South wena useProta like and bakushare ifone grade and
makayazi inkinga hamba le futhi grade 10 aningangenzi kanjalo sayejobek theater sayejobek theater Ngikwenza le ncwadi le yaka Sophia Thabo. Like akusiwo wonke umntwana okwazi ukuthi ahambe ngetrip in yabona into ezinjalo and akumelanga ukuthi sipressurize abantu ukuthi umntwana asali ukuthi umntwana kumele abe nokumnandi but if ever isimo asivumi angeke uforce.
So wena ufila kanjani ke esikolweni eclassini lakho ukuthi trip and then ukuthi majority classini trip wena uyanga trip like
every yeah makune trip kuda le group esalayo sayazi every year
so now bokona
bekule group esalayo bekhona kule group esalayo and they like obvious ipressure beyikhona ukuthi ubani uyahamba but if ever uya like wena personally you know ukuthi isimo sakini usinjani angeke ufoste umzali ukuthi uyakuprovide lendlu ufike endlini uyadla une-uniform una yonke into then wena mawufika esikoleni ufuna ukumfakela ipressure ukuthi usibani uyetripping like esikoleni ama-situation awafani if ever umzali wami akakhona angeke ngifoste ukuthi akhona angakhoni
so wena usanda as like umntwana o-understandayo
yeah from the get-go bengi-understand ukuthi like akukho and umama muye ongifundisile uku-understanda ukuthi ngi-appreciate yonke into engitholayo
mara manje appreciate mina la mangikulethela amanzi uyakhala mangilethi ijuice uyakhala ufuna into
uyabona mina futhi ijuice yazi ukuthi ngiziphuzele ijuice angifuni into eningi and ijuice mayingekho ngiyahambe ngizele empompini ngiphuza
amanzi unamanga no so change no maybe cool I was understand no I was understand uchange
I can understand no
kwazi
I can understand
yes
no I understand I understand like from the bottom of my from the bottom of your heart say it I can understand you. Thank you very much
uzofana noShebeshit unozoshama supporters wakho
no
usada kakhona so
like no ngifuna ukumbuza like masiba realistic like sesikhuluma like kumele asho ukuthi like if ever like
mara uyamvumisa phela uyamvumisa
so when I can understand it just say it out loud like if I can understand I understand like in some situations I understand
like in case ukuthi mina ngilethi vati athi hayi nanki batla
why understand ba understand vele just shayibwa kinit kithometsa nyona vele
like we or understand kimi ne or
Like I said, so I need to move.
Like I understand.
I understand.
Bona lo play kajai.
Leku mnyama kakhulu, that's why I understand. Why I
no. Useka-explain ukusponsora ngama-light ngizokhanya like ningasabi ngizokhanya nakhona
mara like okay it's like being understand like at that point in life being understand ukuthi if ever okukhona okungekho
awukho yo mfana
badingeka abantu abafana naye.
Yeah mfana so
like bengasibona isidingo sokuthi ngifake umama under pressure. Yes bengihalela akekho umuntu ongahaleli ukuthi yo nkatsamayo, but if ever when you know deep down ukuthi mangifike ekhaya ziyokhala mara uyokhalela ukuye tripini ube nezinto ezimnandi, but at least ukhe wangisa at least grade 2 ngaba nale experience trip. At least kunabanye abayazi experience trip ukuthi yini, ukuthi aphume ayezuleka akayazi, ukuthi aye Johannesburg zulu akayazi.
mara na ugcine kudala yo
Mara angigcina ngakudala na grade 12 futhi ngahamba ngaye Pretoria be i-matric dance ethi beyahostela ku Pretoria.
Ngizobala nge-matric dance. Mina ngiyana ku-matric dance.
So uyabona ukuthi like ne umama mbe uyenza ama sacrifices kunabanye abayanga ku-matric dance mara bayile kula ma trip lawa ya.
Mina ngokuthi mengekho esikolweni.
Like I ngiyakutshela like sengiyasho nje ukuthi like kunabanye abanayo experience e-matric dance mara abanayo ama experience we trip. Uyabona ukuthi like in life sinama different
mara i-trip
yeah. Tsibiso.
Yeah.
Mara pega.
NB angimhleki ukhona la.
Mara ama-trip amnandi ama-trip udlula i-matric dance. I-trip yomnandi compared to matric dance.
But at least I had an experience trip. Nanoma ngi-experience ngimncane but I know ukuthi i-trip injani.
So is ivar ukuthi lapha if bathe okay igumbi labo geli ilili abafana abanyonyoba lapha na.
Yabona like the way like yabona mina futhi since ngingena yama class like class of 2016 corrupt, class of 2021 corrupt.
So
like besingezwa nale matric dance bayiplane ngama last minute sibayabona ukuthi like I think kunabanye abantwana aba deserve ukuthi baye ku matric dance and esikolweni beba kunabantu abaletha ama roll ama matric dance like our previous matric dance ukuthi if ever unemali yokuya ku matric dance mara awuna mali yoroko uyakhona ukuthi uhambe esikolweni uyekhetha abayile abayokhetha abakhetha
wanothengile. Wow. So boba bebani ku matric dance.
Like angibambanga bengihamba nomngane wami like besihamba sithu
uba usibosh
usibosh bekana abangani bakhe umngane wami angifuni ukuthi igama lakhe mara umngane wami abamazi bayamazi ukuthi bengihamba nobani like laba baziye mara lo yabe kumngane wami like ngihambe naye ku matric dance besihamba besihleli soyi2 sihambe nangebhasi ke ukubonisa ukuthi like bekungekho into efancy ukuthi in abafikayo ngemoto maybe kufike umuntu oyi1 ngemoto abayi2 futhi nakhona baza ngemoto kaMem bashiwe ibhasi bashiwe ibhasi so baza ngemoto zabo Mem mara at least ngibe nayo nokuthi like kunjani ukuwalka go red carpet ugcoke irogo unama makeup unama heels ungena
wow like kunamalanga bakutshela ukuthi umuhle kakhulu ne like the one confidence ngakho like the mfutho lo like thina ngiyangithusa.
No, I like the confidence nginayo but sometimes anginayo anginayo ezodinta.
But I think this nowadays actually everything.
It's not about confidence. Maybe it's confidence on camera. Maybe ekuqaleni bengekho confidence ukuthi like ngibe camera like yabona. So I'm adjusting because most of the time sihlezi silana yabona like nanoma singa upload but isikhona studio kunalawo ma little experiences extra experience and nanoma ubheke i-podcast uyabona ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi uspot ama mistakes wakho during i-podcast. And so one thing I discovered is that confidence is key. So if ever I'm gonna confidence in front of the camera, I expect ukuthi umuntu ongibukela afike kanjani.
So uyawabhekelela kanti ama episode yasawaploadayo.
Ngibhekelela ayi 3 4. Lawa manje like yabona the first episode let me say first 10 episodes or 9 8 bengabhekeleli because like mangabhekeleli bengifeel ashamed. Why?
Himla.
So manje hawu uyabona hayi siyabangena yini TTP ke aketshela. So
ikanjalo.
hayi marata wayisilanga lami like yabona since sesicela ukushuta usiya makathi seningabalani libe mnandi angithola so ayilanga lami fulafanda akhalibe grand kuzikhule grand imambani ke wathi sesh tomnyama ke
angiyatshela in the building
ogalakala
so when I say usiphathele namhlanje angeke ufike uthi edi sashuta namhlanje bese awumphathelanga next ejuice ukuthi like ama opinions wakho ukuthi like kunama topics ongafisa ukuthi
ushebeshitu lokuhlukubeza ama-fans wakho ushebeshitu lokuhlukubeza ama-fans
ushebeshidala waba inkinga sonke siyamazi ukuthi ushebeshida inkinga and mostly kunama video wakhe ashaya abantu
nikasevenda no like ngathungale nasi stage eba uphukiwe ukayi imali
mara abantu bangakufikisa la ungafuni ukufika khona like ukuthi like ulwile malapha kuleyo ithi ngibuza ukuthi ulwile
ungalile mara like umtsheli like yabona ukuthi umthusele umuntu wena ngathi uzokufaka lapha hapa ngithola
bheka like abantu banento yokuqala
mara ilife injalo
abantu banokuqala so ma ushebe mara like ayukuthi my public figure akumelanga ukuthi ureact all the time sometimes you have to react
angithi kunalomuntu obhayitikiti ukuthi ayele afurvele ukukwatisa ushebeshini like kwamela wena lenhliziyo leya
mara ayinhliziyo angeke ibe khona every day amalanga abafani angeke se-expect ukuthi ushebeshiti abe yi-bigger person while still umuntu lo omqalile azange wakhethe ukuba yi-bigger person wazivalela umlomo wakhe wazithulela or wangamkhomba lento ayenzile angijustify i-action yakhe into ayenzile i-wrong but sometimes abantu banokufika to the core ukuthi like why uyenza kanjalo why
hayi ngenze grand feeling ngaphuma ku-music ke hayi ngoba mina mengizoba-tolerate nanoma ngithuka ayisesho mnyama
like
lokumperform
you're a different person from Shebeshiti. uShebeshiti siyazi ukuthi in his past life before aba i-artist bekayenzani wena umsesho i-background yakho nekaShebeshiti ayifani and angeke ni-react ngendlela esifanayo.
Okay, asekuleki vele lesanizwakala kahle laba bakuthulile like yabona le show le fantasha le episode yi present yami ngoba akekho ne-one abantu bathi bancasa mara thanks to Siliso the time chips very fantasha
wena ngo-00 bengingalalanga ngilokhu ngibhalana nama-paragraph ngithi happy birthday msesho yebatata like anginamali uyazi ukuthi angiholi
lento la i-cut and paste la message phela ni-3 enikusendela la message so nisha-cut and paste nithi nikushela i-paste
yabona masiqeda ukushuta la ngifuna ukubonisa leyo ma-message ngoba leyo message leyo angiyibhalanga angenza ngi-copy and paste that is why uthola ukuthi like kunamanye ama-parts ubheka ukuthi lapha yaphansi ku-WhatsApp babhalile ukuthi edited is because angikopanga
yazi why ucale wayisenda le uyikopile nemiku wafaka amapili laba bathi wathi wena abalisho wakithi ivulile evala ke kuchalisa phile ecedeni okay so
ngoba uyangiqathisa ngoba ungenza ngathi manje yabona
so thina amara la ngisho ala wona umuntu ucala ukungishela
uyangiqathisa ngivula amehlo ngo-12 hey birthday kaseshe bazothi copy and paste hayi
inkinga ukuthi ayafana nalabanye
masiphuma la uyongibonisa lawo ma-message and if awafani mfana nangigcina
okay if waba khona kule episode kusho ukuthi ayafana
kusho ukuthi awafani if ayafana
isikhathi ke
angisazifuni
if ayafana kusho ukuthi bayikhe wena ke kulabanye abayi-2
niyazi ukuthi yini enihekwayo uyazi kahle ukuthi wena nabangani bakho abo-901 nabo-Distenza abantu bokuhekhiwa ke lapho bamhekile naye namhlanje Facebook akayisasebenzi yabona labantu basitotu kanjani
amara lawa message ku-WhatsApp i-WhatsApp abayiheki otherwise ngiyabonga feli la message it was a nice message wonderful ngithola emotional.
Hawu.
Ayayibeka. Ubuyazi akithi ngithola sivalisho siloko sihlela vala phela hawu.
Okay bafethu.
Yeah.
Nazi kunjani man? Like, subscribe, share. Nitshela abangani benu abogogo noma bangazanisi imebekise bafethu. Mababone le podcast show. Siphusheni into yasekasi. Yazi la bantu laba sihlezi kumite kwani. Siphusheni like so pushana. If ever ungibelisa ungiyangikuka ungibeka lapha nami ngizokukuka ngibeka lapha.
Mara nungathi sesiyaba forced ayi. Mafuna ususubscribe.
Mara angithi bathi umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu so yenza lento leyo ubuntu uyenzele kithi nanoma uyazi ukuthi uyasubscribe nanoma ungayibheka 10 minutes ke
ma tips yini manje kusincengena kahle athi DB balisho kahle balicanisela ukuvala
uzoyikhatha lapha
ngizoyikhatha la
khanye
okay
sespanini khanye
okay balisho ke
okay bafethu thank you for joining us again le Ringers podcast show guys please don't forget to like share and subscribe nazi ukuthi happy birthday kuthini nisesho ke asiva
danko more life more subscribers more viewers and more
content
girls
hayi yabona uthanda amantombazana
okay ayibheka more life more viewers danko